You can start to see the rough electrical coming in here. All these steel studs are punched already. Putty pads are starting to be installed. J boxes, data lines, electrical. Everything's accessed from the inside and the outside. Rough-in plumbing has been done. Here we have the panel for the unit. Home runs. Home runs are done on site. We can see everything starting to be planned, all the routing, all the circuits. This is a kitchen with an island. So you can see we have a lot of cabinets over here, upper level power. You see a lot more is going in with the HVAC. A lot of electrical, a lot of crossovers, a lot of data, plumbing, fire suppression. This here is Smurf tube for data. You can pull coax or Ethernet through the module.